Hi, it's Todd from Todd Cutler here, and I have got this 13th and 14th century mace. And it's a lovely piece. So we've mounted it on an ash shaft, but you can buy it as a complete unit or the head only. This one was modelled after an English piece, but you see very similar ones really across sort of our side of Europe, Western Europe, and then going up towards Scandinavia. So this is not a particularly aggressive looking mace. And there are certainly spikier ones out there, but it is, of course, a mass weapon. It is all about imparting that energy into somebody's shoulder, knee, chest, head, whatever. So you don't need massive spikes for that. You've got some detailing on here. So the whole thing is investment cast, lost wax casting, which is a really old process, goes way back, well, Egyptian times, I think. And then it's got a little bit of further detailing here, which the mould was not good enough to capture, where they're just punching it in with a little chisel here. And that is a very typical way of making these kind of things. And in terms of longevity, as with all of these maces, it is a weight on a stick. It is for hitting people. And that never goes out of fashion, does it? So there's one of the Visby graves, which actually has a mace head in it, which is about 200 years. And I think it was a Byzantine head. So 200 years and 2,500 miles from home, and it's in a Visby grave. So they really did get about, and they really did last. So it might be dated to 13th, 14th century, but you could push that back further, because a hit is a hit is a hit. See ya.